crimping stamped and formed contacts using hand tools. For this demonstration, a DTT-16-00 hand crimp tool is being used. This style of tool will crimp size 16 stamped and formed contacts that accept size 14 through 16 wire gauge. Begin with a stripped wire. Cycle the crimp tool to the open position. Place the contact into the correct die nest. Partially close the tool until the contact is held in place. Insert the stripped wire into the contact. Squeeze the handles closed until the ratchet releases. The ratchet will only release when a loud click is heard and the crimp is complete.